Hello everybody. Today we're going to be going over the process of installing concrete landscape curbing. The first step is to remove the sod and prep the ground for the concrete. Once the sod is removed, we begin mixing the concrete with our special blend of herbs and spices. And I once heard a joke from a retired concrete contractor. He said there's 3 guarantees with concrete. He guarantees it to get hard, he guarantees no one's going to steal it, and he guarantees it'll crack. With that being said, we take every possible measure to prevent our concrete from cracking. It's reinforced by a stainless steel cable that runs through the core of the curb. In the concrete mix, we add fiberglass mesh to help reinforce, and we also provide frequent relief cuts so that when the concrete does crack, it will crack in an unnoticeable location that is controlled by us. This machine is called the Extruder. It's what pumps the concrete through a channel, giving it its general shape and form. The extruder is also what feeds the stainless steel cable into the concrete curb. Once the concrete is laid on the ground, we go over it with a hand trowel to remove any imperfections that the extruder leaves behind. After we're finished with the hand trowel, we use release powder and a stamped roller to give the concrete curbing the texture and color desired by the customer. Lastly, we install the relief cuts and seal the concrete, completing the job. Hopefully this helps everyone understand the installation process of concrete curbing. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.